Hi everybody, this is just a quick reverse demonstration of the Tradesman machinist with a belt on it. Comes in two flavors, 36 and 48. This is a 36 inch with the belt in the down position. It's pretty nice to run. So we'll just show you how that reverses. Nice and quiet. Usually on the Luna shell and the multi-tool, when you reverse it, you'll see the belt will wander from side to side. You have to readjust it all the time. And I think it's because the assemblies have too many parts. In this case, now we'll run it the other way. Now it's turning the other way. When the belt didn't wander, we didn't have to reset it. So we're happy about that. That's it for now.